Graceful, vibrant, and exotic. Orchids have always captured hearts with their beauty. But here's the surprise, they're not just pretty flowers. Orchid farming is becoming a profitable business for plant lovers and entrepreneurs alike. Hello and welcome back to Discover Agriculture. Today, we are exploring the mesmerizing world of orchid farming. Orchids are among the most loved flowers in the world, long lasting, elegant, and versatile. They're in huge demand for weddings, decorations, and even as premium potted gifts. With hundreds of species and hybrids, they offer both beauty and business potential. To make orchids thrive, give them temperatures between 15 to 30 degrees Celsius and 50 to 70% humidity. In direct sunlight, using 50 to 70% shade nets, good airflow to prevent diseases, moist but well drained media like coconut husk, charcoal, or sphagnum moss. Use pots or baskets with excellent drainage. Space plants well for air and light. Install a gentle drip or mist irrigation system. Keep everything clean and disease free. Popular varieties Phalaenopsis or moth orchids, graceful and elegant. Dendrobium, hardy and easy to bloom. Cattleya, the queen of orchids. Vanda, bold and exotic. Choose your variety based on climate and market demand. Watch for aphids, mites, and fungal issues. Use neem oil or organic sprays. Ensure good ventilation and avoid overwatering to keep plants healthy. Orchids bloom once or twice a year. Harvest gently and sell as cut flowers for bouquets, potted orchids for decor, or even export plants for premium markets. Presentation and quality matter most. Orchid farming is more than growing flowers, it's crafting nature's art with patience, care, and love. Your orchids can bring beauty and profit together. If you found this video inspiring, like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more amazing farming stories.